So you wanna instantly rotate something. That's where set actor rotation comes in. It lets you snap an actor to a specific angle. Now this is the note, the set actor rotation. How to get it? Just type in set actor rotation and you will see it here like this. Now for now we will just remove it, and for this tutorial I'm gonna use it to move on. Yeah, right. To do this, what we need to get is get actor. Wait a minute, sorry. Yeah, get actor rotation. And what I will do is that actually split the structure pin and then add one to it to move, actually rotate it like this, and then I will use make rotator. I can actually move it in one location. You can use it however you like. So you just split the pin and join the ear, and that's it. Now when we will press play, it will actually move it. Why didn't it move? Yeah, so don't forget something like this, like me, I did. You just connect it and you will have to now move it. And as you can see, we have a cube moving in circles automatically. How cool is this? And you can actually use this feature to make great doors, rotating platforms like this one, or resetting orientation. It's really amazing feature. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.